Hey guys, it's Miss Carosa. Welcome to Monday morning, September 28th. Okay, so this is what you are going to do when you come on to your Bitmoji. So if you look at the Bitmoji, it says do now, check in for your attendance. That's going to be the same in probably all your classes. All right, video scientific notation, that's this. It's what you're watching now. And then after that, you're going to watch an Ed puzzle assignment. You're going to answer and CK12 assignment. Okay. If you notice that all three of these things say GC, that means that all of those are accessible on Google Classroom. Okay. I just put here the order that I want you to do them. So if you click here, it says Ed puzzle assignment on Google Classroom. You're going to do that first. So we're going to click here. Okay. And I scroll down. Here is my Ed puzzle assignment on scientific notation. You're going to click here, click your instructions. Okay, you're going to click the Ed puzzle, which is going to load up like this. It's going to prompt you to play, and every time you hit a little teardrop, it's going to ask you a question. And until you answer the question, it's going to stop. Okay, so in order to advance the video, you have to make sure that you answer the question. I'm not looking for super accurate answers, just to get through the video. Scientific notation is pretty easy. It's really just moving, it's a matter of moving the decimal. I think this guy explains it pretty well, and he's got a really good visual over here, and you don't have to listen to my voice explain it. Okay, so that's the first part of your assignment for today. Okay, the second part, if you go back to Classroom, click back, okay, is the CK12. So under classwork, it's gonna post when you guys are on tomorrow. It says scientific notation scheduled for tomorrow. That is a CK12. It's super short. You're going to click in, make sure that you log in with Classroom or with your Google account, just like me. And just as usual, it's going to ask you to read the assignment. Again, there's some highlighting equipment here if you want. And under my webcam, there's a little green button here, has a little head on it, and it says View Practice. You're going to complete the practice and click Turn In, and it will tell me on Classroom that you have clicked Turn In. All right, Chem, I will see you guys on Tuesday. Remember that I do have office hours on Monday, or you can totally text me if you get stuck. All right, see you later.